Welcome to my channel, The Science Geek. Today we'll learn how to generate DRC, how to generate BOM, and how to generate cross-reference part. For that, you need to click on .dsn file, and then you have to click on the Design Rule Check tab. So it will save your design. You can go for undo. In the first tab, you have to select Run Electrical and Run Physical Rules. So in the second tab of electrical rules, you can check and uncheck all the rules which you want to perform in your schematic, right? Rules are like check single node nets, check duplicate net names, check off-page connector connections, check hierarchical port connections. Even you can run custom DRCs. You can customize your own DRC using scripts, and you can import those scripts in OrCAD Capture. You can generate reports based on electrical rules like report all net names, report off-grid objects, and all report misleading tab connections. Okay, so right now going to the physical rules tab, you can see all the physical rules checks over here. This you can customize again by your own requirement, which rules you want to perform in your schematic, right? You even if I have physical rules reports also. In electrical rules, you can check this option, check no driving source and pin type conflict. If you check this option, you will enable this ERC metrics tab. Okay, so in ERC metrics tab, you can see, right, it is totally customizable. Suppose you want to see an output port is connected to a bidirectional, it should show an error. Just click on that, it will show an error, or you can press the E button over in your keyboard. So suppose an output pin should not be connected to an output pin, so it should show an error whenever it is connected, right, when you run DRC. If you don't want to see that, click once, it will remove the error tab. Click one more time, it will show warning. Click one more time, it will show error. So you can customize the entire electrical rule check matrix over here, right? And if you want to go back to the cadence default, you can click on restore defaults. So once you're done with setting up all the rules and all, you can click on OK. So it will just save your schematic, and it will just perform the DRC. You will get a DRC output file. Here in you can see in the output tab we have generated project1.drc, right? So here you can have all the DRC rules whatever you have checked. Based on that, you will receive all the warnings, errors, and reports whatever you have checked, right? It will go through all your schematic pages and give you this output file. So you can see there are reports in electrical rules. So there are it has started the physical rules, checking the physical rules, checking for pin and pin type connections. There are some errors over there, you can see, like same pin number connected to more than one net, right? So coming to the schematic, you can identify and DRC whenever you can see a green dot, so it means there is a rule check violation over there, right? Coming to the main page, click on the DSN. Will now generate a cross reference part. So cross reference part is generally used to identify that whatever components you have placed in your schematic, from where does that component come from which library does that component come from, right? So just click on view output and click on OK. So it will give you this file where you can identify that this particular part has been used from which library and what is the location of that library, right? So it gives you that reference file. Next up, going to generating bomb. To generate bomb, you can click on bill of materials ribbon over there. So here you can see uh, a line item definition column. Over there you can see header and combined property string. To provide your own customized headers, right, you can just type /t for a new tab in Excel file, and the property name, suppose I want to include a property name called as price, right? So including this property name as price, and to call the value of that property price, I need to provide in the combined property string. So here also I need to provide /t. Inside a curly bracket, I need to provide the property name. So if a property name is present inside a curly bracket, it means it will call the value of the property. So in that way I can just provide the property name. So just for now I will just add the property called as price in my one of my component. So just clicking on new property. Yeah, so I will add a property name as price, and I will just add a value as 12. apply, and yes. Okay, fine. Going back to my .dsn file and clicking on bill of materials. So we can click on open in Excel and click on OK. So it will open the file in Excel. You can see a price property has been added, and in my component reference J11. So in that, it has called the value of the property called as price, that is 12. So this is how you can generate BOM in your schematic. You can also provide your customized BOM template of your organization or your company. If you have a customized template for that, you can also do that. So feel free to provide any comments. Please like, share and subscribe, and please comment down below for any queries. Thank you for watching. Signing off.